Hello everyone, myself Kaushik Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of ECE Department, Mallabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur, Bankura. In this video, I am going to give a brief introduction to logic gates. Let's start. At first, we want to know what is logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building block of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on a certain logic. There are 7 basic logic gates: AND, OR, XOR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XNOR. Number 1, AND gate. The AND gates is so named because if 0 is called false and 1 is called true, the gates acts in the same way as the logical AND operation. The following instruction and the table shows that the circuit symbol and the logic combination for an AND gates. The output is true when both the input are true, otherwise the output is false. Number 2, OR gate. The OR gate gets its name from the fact that if behaves after the fashion of the logical exclusive OR. The output is true if either or both of the input are true. If both inputs are false, then the output is false. Number 3, NOT gate. A logical inverter, sometimes called a NOT gate, to differentiate if from other types of electronics inverter device has only one input if reverse the logic state. If the input is 1, then output is 0. If the input is 0, then output is 1. Number 4, NAND gate. The NAND gate operates as an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. It acts in the manner of logical operation and followed by the negation. The output is false if both input are true, otherwise the output is true. Number 5, NOR gate. The NOR gate is a combination OR gate followed by an inverter. Its output is true if both inputs are false, otherwise the output is false. Number 6, XOR gate. The XOR gate acts in the same way as the logical either or. The output is true if either but not both of the input are true. The output is false if both input are false or if both input are true. Number 7, XNOR gate. The XNOR gate is a combination XOR gate followed by an inverter. Its output is true if the input are same and the false if the input are different. Next is conclusion. Using combination of logic gates, complex operation can be performed. In theory, there is no limit to the number of gates that can be added together in a single device. But in practical, there is a limit to the number of gates that can be packed in a given physical space. Array of logic gates are found in the digital IC. Thank you.